To learn more about Python scripting in Blender, it is better to search Blender 2.81 Python. Then we'll get a link like this, Blender 2.81 Python API documentation. Click on this link. So that we will get access to this Blender API documentation. Here, application modules, context, data, operators, utilities, types, all these are the data types, or all the BPY subfunction or submodules can be accessed from here. These are standalone modules. So in order to search different application, in the search docs you just type to know more about curve, just type curve. You will get the syntax is similar to the curve application, that is ops.curve. Like that, all the data attributes linked to curve will be listed here. In our example, it is edge underscore face underscore add. To know more about that function, we have to check this one, bpy.ops.mesh.edge add an edge or face to the selector. So this is the way to select, or this is the way to know more about the Python syntax in Blender and to learn further.